Hi, my name is Aditya Mittal. My prime objective is a highly challenging career where I can use my academic background, my interpersonal skills, and my global cultural awareness to give a positive contribution to your organization and make a positive change. I would like to give a brief introduction about myself. I am born and brought up in Faridabad and have completed my primary and secondary education from Delhi Public School Faridabad in the year 2009. I was an academic scholar for 7 consecutive years, also secured 90% in both 10th and 12th. In my school, I had a lot of leadership roles, some of them being the house captain for the year 2007, class prefect for the year 2005 and 6. I was also the captain of my school cricket team, where with the help of good teamwork and trust among the team members, we were able to win many tournaments. Now coming to my graduation, I have done my Bachelor's of Engineering from Delhi College of Engineering in the production industrial stream. I passed out in the year 2013 and then got admission in NITI, one of the top B schools in India. In my college, I was actively involved in the Cultural and Technical Fest Committee. I conceptualized a new event called Contraption for my Technical Fest and was the manager for the event, where I followed the famous Pygmalion effect, in which the focus is on setting higher expectation and also setting smart goals. I think if I expect more from myself and my team, then the willingness to achieve excellence will be greater every time. I was the head of the event, but I know the importance of a team for the success of event and the important traits being trust, coordination, and good communication skills between the team members. I was also part of the corporate affairs team of my college, and there I used my good interpersonal skills to talk to various corporates of the industry and also used my negotiation skills for getting sponsorship for the cultural fest. During my college, I was also interning in various big companies like Maruti Suzuki India Limited, where I spent 2 months as a part of my industrial training and learned about how to work in an organization and worked on the technical project to reduce wastage of glass items used in the making of different cars. On the academic front also, I passed with first class from my college and was among the top 10 students of my branch. I was also appreciated for my final year project by the faculty members. Now after my graduation, I entered NITI in the year 2013 and have been involved in an e-commerce startup where I handled the logistics and packaging area, where I used the concept taught to us in Principle of Organizational Management about doing a work in a planned form increases the productivity. That was showed to us using a Navrang cube. Now coming to my personal traits, I am sincere and dedicated with the work I do. I am an extrovert and can easily gel with people. I have an excellent communication qualities to be written communication, public speaking, constructive feedback, or active listening. My personal qualities involving self-motivation, integrity, reliability, optimism, confidence, calmness, and flexibility all lead to excellence. I can form healthy relationship by winning customer loyalty, valuing and respecting others, and can act as a good mediator if need arises. I sure can collaborate with any kind of team or an individual. I am an upbeat manager who comes into work fresh and energetic every day, which is really necessary for getting new ideas. I possess high levels of business acumen and a solid knowledge of industry and organizational management. I am creative manager who always tries to come up with something innovative rather than following the same old method. After all, Kaizen is one of the most important tools of a manager. This is my basic summary about me, and I will ask you to consider my application. Thank you.